Just dropped some sauce on my leg. That flipping hurt. Be right back. Oh shit. So we've retired into the tent. The stew is done. I'm escaping any nocturnal wildlife like some of the flies out there. And we are going to feast on at least half of this. I could feed 2. But I always find cook more than I need. Some of us do. Look at that. Beautiful. Man, I am ready for this. Let me tell you that. As I said, forgot to buy beer. So I have water and coffee. I think I'll live until the morning comes, eh? We'll get there in the end. Alright, let's enjoy some of this. Oh, hot. Hot. I'm gonna have to let this cool down for a bit. Very hot. Not very nice.